Today I'd like to show you how to change the air filter in your Momcozy Kleanpal Pro. First, if you want to get the device, next I like to take the top off and then the basket. And then on the back side you can remove the reservoir. Once you have that done, you can rotate the device to the side and flip it on its side. This will expose your air filter grate. Next, there is a tab. If you push your finger down and then pull towards you, it should release this grate. And right here is where your air filter is housed. If you need a new one, I'll have them linked in the description below. But depending on where your actual device is placed, depends on probably how frequently you want to replace this air filter. So that really just depends on where it's at. But once you have your new air filter in here, you will take these two tabs, line them up with the two holes, place it in, and then flip it upwards and push it until it clicks in. Next, you can just reassemble the device. So put your reservoir back on, your basket back in, and your lid on, and you're good to go. Thought this video was useful? Please leave a thumbs up. Thank you.